Access the staggering power of opt-in leads to supercharge your lead generation campaigns. From email to SMS messages, opt-in ads remain one of the best ways to increase lead engagement and retention. With opt-in ads, you benefit from the powerful hand-raising effect, which makes consumers more likely to keep interacting with you because they're doing so of their own accord. Unlike other marketing channels, which are designed to maximize convenience for the marketer, opt-in advertising seeks a win-win approach. These SMS campaigns can increase engagement while providing a better customer experience. The fact that these campaigns occur outside of a computer provides you with many advantages. First, they make it more likely that you'll catch your lead at a time when they're receptive. For instance, your lead may be on the go, yet your ad may be relevant to something that they want or need. Second, they may be resistant to ads they find on their desktop PC. After all, many consumers today exhibit ad fatigue. But an opt-in SMS message provides them with choice. They can choose to engage you further. If you do things right, your lead won't feel like you're bombarding them with marketing messages. These ads are so simple to set up and manage, you'll wonder how you've gotten along without them. Simply create your opt-in SMS message and your thank you message. Then gather and log responses from interested leads via SMS. Then move your hot leads to your favorite CRM tool. Finally, you will use all the data you've accumulated to build powerful lead generation campaigns. It's really that simple. As consumers become more and more sensitive to marketing, it's becoming apparent that opt-in ads are the way to go. Get in on the ground floor today, before your competitors do.